Assalamu alaikum, brothers. Today I am going to see the graveyard where in the Dore Jahiliyyah some of the pagan Arabs used to bury their daughters alive. So it's just behind the Haram Sharif Makkah. On the left side there is Hilton Suite, and right side the street is going to Medina. So all taxis are available here. And then some people told me that they are trying to build a hotel here too, but when they try to dig, the laborers heard some kind of weird voices and they got scared. They saw some kind of blood, and then they give up, and finally the government decided to declare a kabristan, a graveyard. So this is the place. So I decided to share with you guys. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.